got it.
Hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Wednesday, March 21st, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news today, evidently buyers were still hungry to own stocks Tuesday as investors built on a broad-based rally a day earlier, predicated in part on hopes that tomorrow's Fed statement will reflect a more accommodative policy stance. Investors also embraced an added sense of stability in overseas markets as the Bank of Japan, leaving rates unchanged at 0.5%, eased overblown concerns tied to unwinding of carry trade. Good overall housing data, more merger and acquisition news, and relief in the troubled subprime mortgage space also helped the bulls extend Monday's sizable gains. After plunging 14% to a 10-year low in January, housing starts rebounded in February with a 9% rise to a $1.5 million annual rate. Building permits, a sign of future construction, fell for the 12th time in 13 months, which investors felt will help with the housing inventory glut. It is worth noting, though, that while the volatile data overall eased the worst of fears about a housing market crash, no clear sign of a bottom didn't exactly provide overwhelming conviction that the Fed's impending statement will reflect the more balanced policy stance investors began pricing into the market yesterday. As evidenced by the S&P 500 turning in a better performance than the Dow and NASDAQ, it's not surprising to see just how big of an impact more bargain hunting interest throughout the beaten-down financial sector had on the day's action. Another round of more merger and acquisition activity helped the brokerage group build on yesterday's 1.6% advance. Of the other 9 sectors trading higher, utilities actually turned in the best performance as its defensive characteristics became attractive as a hedge against tomorrow's Fed directive, possibly piquing concerns about the pace of economic growth. And now for our small cap news brought to you by Viaspace Incorporated. Now, Viaspace Incorporated develops space and defense technologies from NASA and the Department of Defense into hardware and software products in the United States. Ener1 Incorporated announced this month that its Enerdell subsidiary will be making a technical presentation on lithium-ion battery development at the Advanced Automotive Battery Conference Ener1 Incorporated in Long Beach, California, May 15th through 18th of this year. The company also announced this month that it delivered lithium-ion battery cells for the next phase of testing by an independent laboratory. The company stated that it expects that the performance of these cells will further improve on the results that were recently announced in February. Ener1 Incorporated closed today at 23 cents a share. Emrise Corporation, through its subsidiary Pascal Electronics Limited, announced this month that they have received orders worth in excess of $1.9 million for the range of multimedia in-flight entertainment and communications products. Emrise Corporation is a multinational manufacturer of defense, aerospace, and industrial electronic devices and communications equipment. They offer a range of electronic components such as digital and rotary switches, custom and standard electronic power supplies, RF components, and subsystem sub-assemblies. Emrise Corporation, previously at $1.10, closes up 4% at $1.15 a share. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And also be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. I'm Cathy Rankin, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you. You've got it.